English Fast, helping advanced learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR C2. Harshly, violate, foundation. Harshly. Harshly is an adverb. C2 learners usually know harshly. Harshly describes a manner that is rough or jarring to the senses. Here are some examples. The hotel lobby was harshly and coldly lit. She was harshly treated by the court. The pilot applied the brakes too harshly. Violate. Violate is a verb. At C2, to violate is to break or fail to comply with a rule. Here are some examples. They do not wish to violate the terms of the ceasefire. The speech may violate the law if it includes slander. In the video game, anyone who violated the rule was exiled. Foundation. Foundation is a noun. C2 learners usually know foundation. At C2, the foundation is the idea or principle that something is based on. Here are some examples. Every winning argument needs a solid foundation. The database of fingerprints is the foundation of the scheme. His so-called proof is completely without foundation. In the comments below, write some of your own sentences with harshly, violate and foundation. Email the editor at englishfast.co.uk for the free CEFR C2 worksheets. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.